Greetings, everyone. I thought that I would do a small video on what I got from the Traditional Craft Kits website. Um, I'm new to these guys, but I teach basketry on a regular basis, and these little kits seem to be the perfect thing as a beginning type situation. This came in a plastic bag that fit this little booklet. What you get with it is you get your supplies, which are the pine needles I have soaking right now. You get your cord for this basket. You get your cord and you get one of those blunt needles. Blunt wide eye needles. I'll say. There you go. They come in this. That's this side, which is the booklet. Then you've got the back side. So they're sandwiched in between inside that plastic bag. You got a whole bunch of different choices there. And then this opens up, kind of folds like a map folding situation. This gives you all of the details. I really like this. This is just one of those really cool things, step by step, what it looks like. Very high quality color pictures. This is a high quality paper, gloss paper. Gives you preparation instructions, how to prepare the pine needles, how to prepare the knotwork to begin the bottom of the basket. So I think this is pretty interesting. I will add some progress pictures at the end of this video to show you how I'm doing it. But as far as I guess an unboxing in this way, this is really all it is. Now this is really designed for beginners, and I'm testing this out right now to make sure this is something I want to show my people. And it is. I can tell already, but why waste well, I wouldn't waste the materials. I could just teach it, but I want people to see a finished product that I've done instead of me going online and looking for a picture and sending, showing people that. I want to show people something that I've done first so that they can see that they can personalize. They know the person that has done the basket they've seen. And I always, when I teach, I always make a basket as well to show them how I'm doing it so they can see as it goes along. Anyway, guys, the photo collage is now.